Hello my quilting friends, my name is Leah Day and welcome to this free motion quilting tutorial for Night Storm. So this is a fairly complex design, but it starts out with something really simple, and that is this zigzaggy stem. So that's the first thing you want to quilt, and then you're going to stitch a teardrop shape, and then you're going to stitch bouncy echoes. You're just going to bounce out and then bounce back in. It's just a real quick movement, bouncing outward, bouncing inward, and you're bouncing, when you swing outward, you're bouncing against either the edge of your quilting space or another Night Storm design that you've already stitched, another element on your quilt. It could also just simply be that you come to a certain point, like right here, and you bounce back, and that works too. That's about the most confusing part of it, is about when to do your bounces. You just don't want you to get those arches too big. When they start to get too large, they can get a little unwieldy. It's hard to keep them consistent. So I'd aim for, depending on your scale, only about, just keep it where it's just not going to get too wide and unwieldy and starts to get a little bit wiggly wobbly. Then that is going to be a sign to tell you, okay, you need to bring that in a little bit and shrink it down some. All right, so now I am turning a corner, and I do that just simply by pivoting off the tip of that lightning bolt, back and forth, swinging around, careful travel stitching occasionally, and then now I'm going to bring these bouncy echoes down and into this little pocket. As you can see, I'm just kind of wrapping those around that lightning bolt. The idea is this is kind of the texture of night, and it's a storm. The lightning bolt is creating electricity, and we've just got this absolutely gorgeous texture created from that inspiration. You are going to have little weird areas, strange pockets. Fill those up with gentle curves. That's going to be your best bet. And once you get that completely finished, then zigzag off in another direction to form another Night Storm shape. Learn more about the sewing machine I'm using in this video at leahday.com/sew20.